typical. You are doing a test and you don't want to leave anything to chance, so you have here your nerdy friend, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. You don't want to leave anything to chance. Anyways, welcome to another video of How It Works series. This is video number 11, and today I'm gonna talk about how a calculator works. It's a little bit dusty because obviously I don't use it that much. I am that smart, but there's sometimes when it comes really handy, and this is a scientific calculator. I mean, I do have one in my cell phone, and I usually use that because I don't bring this with me. But some of the functions, other than to multiply, divide, add and subtract, there are some others that they may prove really useful. So just give me a second to input a really complicated equation, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. Alright, we are back, and I actually love this calculator because it has the function of, and I don't think any other calculator has it. Well, maybe other fancier and more expensive than this. This was, what, like 10 bucks? I've had it for a long time. But it has the function like this one, this kind of fraction symbol, and it actually allows you to input all that you want, like a huge formula in the top and then another huge formula in the bottom, instead of, like, if you need to divide it, you don't have to make piece by piece and then add all the results and then divide it by all the results of the lower equation. You can just type it all in. You can actually also set up a value for x, a value for a value for b, and then change it later. I actually don't know how to use that. I don't get the full potential of this calculator. But that's how it works. There are other, let me see if it actually gives me something. Ha! Well, this is because I don't have any values for any of the letters there, and for the variables. But, like, let's say if you want the, let me see, something really cool in here. Oh, actually, let's put 0.333. And if we want to change it to a fraction, oh, there you go. See, you type the result, and then sometimes it's really frustrating when you can't see if it's a decimal or not. So you can just type in this and it will calculate it for you, whichever you want. Sometimes it's useful to have both. You have minutes and seconds and stuff like that. I have hypotenuse, sinus and cosinus, and there are many other functions that I don't really know how to control, but that's basically how it is. It saves you a lot of time in calculation, and Casio is usually a very good company for this kind of thing. Well, this is how it works. It saves you in the tests, and you don't leave anything to chance. Have a great day.